Welcome to the Awards of Recognition portion of our Senior Recognition Assembly. We'd like to thank everyone for their flexibility during this unique school year. We are so happy to have the opportunity to present these awards to our deserving seniors. Thank you to those of you who are joining this presentation in person, and thank you to those of you who are watching it virtually. The following awards recognize Hoover High School seniors from every level: national, statewide, countywide, district-wide, and even from individual departments. To begin, Mr. Tim Walker will announce all academic Federal League awards.
We would first like to recognize all our senior athletes who earned a varsity letter in a Federal League sport and maintained a weighted GPA of 3.80 or higher. If your name is announced, please stop by the guidance office tomorrow to pick up your certificate. Alexandria Allshouse, Owen Blackledge, Elizabeth Burleson, Bo Bircher, Catherine Cantor, Andrew Koblenz, Lily Conrad, Joseph Cronin, Casey Cunningham, Logan Dobbinspec, Benjamin de Guzman, Alan Diaz, Sydney Dryden, Julie Dunlap, Riley Durbin, Sarah Esterly, Bryce Evans,
Zachary Evans,
Dominic Granito, Madeline Gregory, Emmy Grimaldi, Austin Hansen, Kate Halbert, Madison Hawks, Carl Helmuth, Elena Henley, Augustin Holben, Logan Jeffries, James Kelly, Amari Kennard, Ian Kling, Grace Linneman, Bria Lewis, Maya Lewis, Carter Lynn, Marshall Lockridge, Trevor Maley, Ariana Manos, Lily Martin, Jenna Maxwell, Grace May, Lena McCarty, Macy McCauley, Peyton McKinnon, Braden Moy, Jonas Mullenkamp, Lillian Mullins, Aaron Pike, Amanda Rambaugh, Ella Remblack, John Roshak, Ryan Schwinning, Jenna Simrau, Piper St. Clair, Reagan St. Clair, Addison Stallman, Lexi Takis, Peyton Temkin, Gavin Timms, Elliot Tornow, Hannah Ulick, Mason Upperman, Ariana Valos, Yanni Volas, Emily Walker, Carter Wenzel, and Marcus Wolf. Next, Hoover High School Associate Principals will announce our Scholastic Achievement Awards.
Good evening. The following award recognizes the scholastic achievement of seniors. 138 seniors have maintained a 4.0 GPA average or above from their freshman year through the first semester of their senior year at Hoover High School. The following students will be able to pick up their pen in guidance office tomorrow: Samantha Abbott, Cecilia Aguirre, Alexandria Allhouse, Chantil Anthony, Claire Beinecke, Madeline Bennett, Jane Bird, Owen Blackledge, Joshua Boylan, Madison Braley, Nicholas Brown, Aiden Bunchu, Elizabeth Burleson, Catherine Cantor, Connor Sels, Regan Chafee, Grace Christensen, Claire Schufar, Andrew Koblenz, Lena Collins, Lily Conrad, Sophia Corey, Ariana Koulis, Catherine Criswell, Joseph Cronin, Casey Cunningham, Samantha Juba, Gabriel Danamiller, Logan Dobbinspect, Eliana Dean, Benjamin de Guzman, Graham Dybel, Oliver Dianchin, Alan Diaz, Toby Dick, Rachel Dornhecker, Julie Dunlap, Rachel Dvorchak, Emma Ellis, Sarah Easterly, Bryce Evans, Zachary Evans, Tyler Freeman, Dory Gardner, Allison Garrett, Ava Geisinger, Nathan Girdlestone, Dominic Granito, Emmy Grimaldi, Mazzy Grisak, Kiara Groh, Kayla Harland, Madison Hawks, Carl Helmuth, Elena Henley, Augustin Holben, Sophia Holmes, Elena Endorf, Logan Jeffries, Aliki Kansos, Reed Kelliker, James Kelly, Amari Kennard, Alexis Kirkbride, Ian Kling, Sophia Crieris, Mary Kreidler, Grace Lenneman, Bria Lewis, Maya Lewis, Morgan Lineweaver, Carter Lynn.
Marshall Lockridge, Andrew Malamasi, Ariana Manos, Lily Martin, Megan Maxim, Jenna Maxwell, Grace May, Peyton McKinnon, Noah Mead, Isabel Medina, Natalie Mellert, Megan Miller, Braden Moy, Jonas Mullenkamp, Lillian Mullins, Jessica Musa, Stephen Nudo, Nathaniel Oler, Sage Parks, Luke Penny, Reagan Phillips, Aaron Pike, Sophia Plaucha, Amanda Rambach, Miranda Rambod, Allison Richardson, John Roshak, Camille Scalera, Adam Schlosser, Ryan Schwenning, Jenna Simrau, Yones Sadigi, Corrine Slesnick, Olivia Snyder, Emma Snyder, Ellie Spicer, Piper St. Clair, Reagan St. Clair, Addison Stallman, Savannah Stratton, Emily Sturr, Lexi Takis, Peyton Timken, Elliot Turno, Hannah Ulick, Ava Umlauf, Mason Upperman, Avery Vance, Yanni Volas, Emily Walker, Jacob White, Lauren Winkart, Sabrina Wolf, Marcus Wolf, Adrian Zilko. Our next awards will be presented by Hoover High School counselor Abby Neidert.
Over 1.6 million juniors in about 21,000 high schools entered the 2021 National Merit Scholarship Program by taking the 2019 preliminary SAT National Merit Scholarship qualifying test, which served as an initial screen of program entrants. The nationwide pool of semifinalists, representing less than 1% of U.S. high school seniors, includes the highest scoring entrants in each state. From those 1.6 million students, only about 16,000 were named semifinalists. In order to advance in the competition and be considered for a merit scholarship award, A semifinalist had to become a finalist by fulfilling several requirements that included submitting a detailed scholarship application and presenting a record of very high academic performance. All winners of about 7,500 National Merit Scholarships are being chosen from the group of approximately 15,000 distinguished finalists. The 2021 National Merit Scholarship winner is Jonas Mullenkamp. The 2021 National Merit Commended Student is Oliver Dianshand. Congratulations. Each year, Hoover administers more than 600 AP exams for students in grades 10 through 12. Students' performance on AP exams is scored 1 to 5 points. Those who score 3 or more points are able to secure college credit at their future institutions. The College Board recognizes students across the United States for their performance on AP exams. Tonight, we would like to acknowledge the accomplishments of our seniors on their AP exams. AP Scholars are students who are recognized by the AP program for demonstrating outstanding college-level achievement through their performance on AP exams. The following students are AP Scholars. They are students who have received a score of 3 or higher on 3 or more AP exams throughout high school. Those students are Joseph Cronin, Alan Diaz, Emma Ellis, Caden Gerganis, Sophia Holmes, James Kelly, Marshall Lockridge, Peyton McKinnon, Megan Miller, Braden Moy, Stephen Nudo, Julia Pack, Sophia Plaucha, Amanda Rombach, Allison Richardson, Adam Schlosser, Ellie Spicer, Brock Wolf, and Adrian Zilko. Congratulations on your outstanding academic achievement. The following students have received an average score of at least 3.25 on all AP exams they have taken throughout high school, and they have scored 3 or higher on at least 4 of their total AP exams, thus earning the title of AP Scholar with Honor. The following students are AP Scholars with Honor: Madison Braley, Nicholas Brown, Reagan Chafee, Andrew Koblenz, Ariana Kulas, Andrew Malamasi, Jonathan Murphy, Jessica Musa, Aaron Pike, Emma Snyder, Emily Sturr, Peyton Timken, and Avery Vance. Congratulations on your impressive accomplishment. This next group of AP Scholars are students who received an average score at least 3.25 on all AP exams they have taken and earned scores of 3 or higher on 5 or more of their exams. The following students are AP Scholars with distinction: Catherine Cantor, Oliver Dianshand, Tyler Freeman, Carl Helmuth, Jonas Mullenkamp, John Roshak. This next student received an average score of at least a 4 on all AP exams taken and scores of 4 or higher on 8 or more of these exams. The following student is the National AP Scholar, Jonas Mullenkamp. Congratulations, AP Scholars. Mrs. Jennifer James, Hoover High School Counselor, will be announcing our next awards.
Good morning. The Franklin B. Walter Award has been awarded in Ohio for the last 13 years. It is sponsored by the Ohio Educational Service Center Association to promote and recognize outstanding academic achievement. High schools in Stark County select a single candidate based on outstanding academic achievement as indicated by high school grades, test scores, and school activities. In February, Hoover High School nominated Jonas Mullenkamp as our nominee for this award. The Judge Ira G. Turpin Scholar Program searches for deserving students to be recognized for their accomplishments in memory of Judge Turpin, who left his legacy through many roles in Stark County. This prestigious program honors selected 11th grade minority students in Stark County based on their scholarship, school attendance, extracurricular activity, and school and community citizenship, while encouraging them to continue to excel in their education and life goals. Hoover nominated 2 juniors for this award last year. These students, now seniors, are Oliver Dianshand and Logan Yerrick. The Altman Ambassador Program provides an opportunity to empower high school students to be Altman ambassadors, to engage their peers, families, and communities in promoting healthy lifestyles aimed at reducing obesity and increasing physical activity. Altman Ambassador Scholarships were chosen from ambassadors who created a poster and wrote an essay on one of our topics this year. The posters were judged by a panel from Altman. Scholarship recipients were honored through Altman. However, we want to recognize them tonight as well. 2021 recipients: Madison Braley, Lena Collins, Julie Dunlap, Zachary Evans, and Peyton McKinnon. Hoover High School counselor Mrs. Jen Griffin will be presenting the next awards for academic excellence.
The following students were nominated by their teachers as outstanding students in the department. Outstanding Senior in Biomedical Science, Madison Braley. Outstanding Senior in English, Madison Braley. Outstanding Senior in Engineering, Claire Beinecke. Outstanding Seniors in Journalism, Mary Basiakos, Megan Miller, and Sophia Plaucha. Outstanding Senior in Science, Jonas Mullenkamp. Outstanding Senior in Social Studies, Catherine Cantor. Outstanding Senior in Video Productions, James Kelly. Outstanding Senior in Career Technology, Braden Alexander. Outstanding Senior in Mathematics, Carl Helmuth. Outstanding Senior in Teaching Professions, Audrey Sargis. Next, school counselor Mrs. Tammy Einen will present our Teen of the Month winners.
Throughout the year, the Canton Repository recognizes the best of the best among the seniors from all of the Stark County high schools. Each month, one male and one female are recognized. This year, Hoover High School had 3 students selected as Teen of the Month. For September, Jonas Mullenkamp was chosen. January's Teen of the Month was Andrew Malamasi, and rounding out the group was Yanni Volas, who was recognized in February. Mr. Girdlestone will now complete our assembly with athletic and attendance recognition for our seniors.
These students were chosen by our administrative team as the recipients of the following awards to highlight the athletic and academic successes of our students. United States Marines Distinguished Athlete Award. 2021 recipients. Male, Nathan Cassidy. Female, Jenna Samrau. Archie Griffin Award. 2021 recipients. Male, Aaron Pike. Female, Lena McCarty. OHSAA Male Scholar Athlete Award. 2021 recipient, Andrew Koblenz. OHSAA Female Scholar Athlete Award. 2021 recipient, Lexi Takis. OHSAA Courageous Student Award. 2021 recipient, Zachary Evans. OHSAA Minority Scholar Athlete Award. Female, Amari Kennard. Male, Alan Diaz. Sam DeBlasi Federal League Commissioners Award. Students with impressive academic achievement and athletic ability are nominated from each high school for the Sam DeBlasi Federal League Commissioners Award on an annual basis. Each year, one male and one female student are chosen to represent the best student athletes in the league. This year, Hoover High School nominated Jonas Mullenkamp and Peyton Timken. Heisman High School Scholarship winners. From an applicant pool of thousands of high school scholar athletes graduating with the class of 2021, more than 3,600 have been named school winners in the Heisman High School Scholarship Competition awarded by the Heisman Trophy Trust and Acceptance Insurance. Hoover High School winners are Jacob Kierton and Grace May. Billy Mitchell Award. Congratulations to Cadet Second Lieutenant Groh for earning the Billy Mitchell Award and joining the ranks of cadet officers. Lieutenant Groh is a cadet in the Civil Air Patrol with the North Canton Composite Squadron 278. The General Billy Mitchell Award is the second milestone in the cadet program and marks the completion of Phase 2, the leadership phase. To earn the Billy Mitchell Award and the grade of Cadet Second Lieutenant, a cadet must complete the promotion eligibility requirements. Cadet Second Lieutenant Groh has passed 2 comprehensive exams covering leadership theory and aerospace topics, completed the cadet physical fitness test, gone to an encampment, and met specific leadership expectations. Only 15% of Civil Air Patrol cadets will obtain the General Billy Mitchell Award. The following students have consecutive years of perfect attendance during their school careers. 2-year consecutive perfect attendance. 2021 recipients: Cecilia Aguirre, Lily Conrad, Isaiah Dyer, Harrison Grisey, Leah Schaffner. 3-year consecutive perfect attendance. 2021 recipients: Joseph Cronin, Colton Miller. 4-year consecutive perfect attendance. 2021 recipients: Madison Braley, Nathan Girdlestone, and Luca Kogulietz.
Before ending our presentation this evening, we wanted to take a moment to thank our seniors who plan on joining the military: Camille Scalera, Kobe Goldie, Jackson Nessline, Cameron Bowen, Austin Hansen, and Allison Pringle. Thank you for your service. Thank you all for joining us and viewing the Awards of Recognition portion of our Senior Recognition Assembly this evening. Congratulations to all of our spectacular seniors. We are so proud of everything that you have accomplished, and we are looking forward to watching you excel in the future.